So I had this conversation with Zayden, and I was like trying to try Arab dishes, and he told me to make kafta. Yeah, kafta, which is a meatball or patty in a tomato soup base. So he told me to add spices, salt, pepper in the kafta itself, and also I added like a not Asian, but a twist to it to fit our taste buds. I'm having hiccups, and I wanted to vlog it, so here we go. So I chopped up some onions, cut up some ginger, just a little bit will do, and 2 cloves of garlic. So I chopped some potatoes, and we're gonna be using mortar and pestle, which is also known as batu lesong. So we're gonna mash the garlic, ginger and onions up. We like the taste of that in our meat, so we didn't use the food processor this time. So here's the minced beef we're gonna be using, and I added Chinese chives, added cumin, salt, pepper, egg, and mix it all up. Then I round them into patty shape and let it bake. Goes in the oven. Then I'm using sunflower oil and tomato paste that we're using, the potatoes, and we're gonna be using a little bit of chili paste too. So I pour in some oil, the tomato paste. I did add more tomato paste afterwards. So here's the chili paste, mix it around a little. Just a little bit would do. And put them in together with the tomato paste. And add the meatballs or patty, add the potatoes too. And ta-da! It is done. It tastes great. Thanks.